Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect GA4 data to Claude to get some insights. It's a three-step process. Step number one is the connection of GA4. Step number two, the installation of a connector within Claude. And step number three is finally to get the insights. Let's start. Step number one, you head to onboard.windsor.ai. And in here on the left-hand side, you find Google Analytics 4. Then you click sign in with Google, grant access to your Google account, and then the available properties will appear below. Now in here, you select the properties you wish to connect. Then you head to preview and destination to just quickly double check if the data is coming through. Once this is done, we are already heading to Claude. Now in your settings, you head to connectors, then you click add custom connector. In here, you call it Windsor.ai, type HTTPS mcp.windsor.ai, add, and then the connector shows as disconnected, so you need to connect. This is done. We can then start prompting away. Click new chat, and now there is a prompt library on Windsor.ai/prompt library, and in here you find a few useful prompts. Just going ahead and say, I want to discover my best customer segments. Paste that in here. Now, property ID, I could derive from here. This would be my property ID. I insert that into the prompt. Now, if you run that the first time, you might be asked to grant auto run rights to the options within this MCP connector. If prompted, just click yes, and then it will be able to start extracting the data. So now that report creation is complete, see we get the visual dashboard here. You can open on the side, which shows the insights requested. There is also recommendations report, which it generated, and then critical findings and behavior-based audiences to build. Then it also realized some critical data issues, and then it starts to propose recommendations. This is one of the many prompts you could run, of course, and there is 300 connectors we support. Feel free to try all of them. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy our connectors.